it's me again, and today we're going to be transforming this top into a super cute top for summer. So stick around if you want to see how to upcycle any like old piece of clothing into something really cute and fun for summer, and it's free. So all the supplies that you're going to need for this project is going to be a sewing machine, some scissors, thread to match whatever top you have, and then a zigzag foot. So I'm going to put a little mood board on the screen for the vibe I'm kind of going for. You can kind of tell from the top already that it's going to be very like mermaid. This is going to end up being like a tight, flattering fit tube top. And I'm going to go ahead and make a sketch, and then I'm going to show you guys what I come up with. So this is what it looks like right now. It's cute, like I could totally wear it and style it, but I just want to make it more of something that I would wear. So I'm really excited for this one because I just love these sequins so much. They're like so cool. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pick out some thread to match, which is gonna be white thread, and I'm gonna pull out my sewing machine and show you guys how to transform this top.